Thanks for making it a success.
Yeah, I'm really choked with emotions. Like 25 साल का सफर हम लोगों ने साथ मिलकर गुजारा और इस सफर में हमारे कुछ साथी हमने खो दिए. It is a sad part, but probably we have to accept it as part of the destiny. I will just will remember all of them, and I would request Parag Date to please come here and help us in remembering them. Thank you. Parag.
Friends, today we are gathered here. It's a great moment. But we cannot forget few of our friends who have left us untimely. It's great loss to Amiya Kumar Das, a mechanical Vinayak Latkar and Nityakar Jha, electrical Sanjay Damle, metallurgy Pradeep Rastogi and Vijay Gujjarwar, and from architecture Chandrasekhar Aglave and Sharad Gajbiye. I request all of you to please pay homage to them. Thank you.
Thanks, Parag.
से आखिर तक हमारे साथ जुड़ा रहा. He did a lot of homework for this to get it, make it workable in cost, prices, quality, trust, everything. He worked very hard. Unfortunately, he has to leave yesterday for 2 days ago for some family problems at Aurangabad. But I promise you, he will join us by today evening, tonight or tomorrow morning. He was Uday Waghe, Professor YCC courses from his college. So you must acknowledge that. Excellent worker.
और एक बात मैं भूल गया था, बियॉन्ड द कर्टन कुछ लोग काम कर रहे थे, जैसे मिस्टर मेघराजानी और मिस्टर पराग राते, उनके पीछे खड़े थे कुछ खास लोग, हमारी भाभियां, दोनों मेडिकल से हैं और उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ इस प्रोग्राम में करने में है. तो गिव देम अ बिग हैंड.
Abbas, please.
I am overwhelmed with emotions. First of all, I was a foreign student when I came here. I came all the way from Tanzania to study. Fortunately, I knew Gujarati because our background is Gujarati. So during ragging time, I was a foreigner, and with my fresh batch, I was a Gujarati. But then, after I left in 1985, I've come back for the first time in 25 years. And I made it a special attempt to come back only for this function. I am very happy today to be amongst friends, to be back in India, and to be back in the college, which gave me so much status that I have a personality in Tanzania now. I just have a couple of questions to ask the audience here. Especially the gents section, the boys who are with me. In 1985, we finished. I got engaged in 1986. Did anybody get engaged before that? I was the first person to get engaged. No, I'm talking about boys. Boys. Yeah, I was looking for somebody. That's great. Great.
On November, fortunately, he is not with us. Like that.
बॉस, हमारे एक गुरु प्रसाद हुआ करते थे, उनकी 85 अप्रैल के पहले ही शादी हो गई थी.
अच्छा.
थर्ड ईयर में थे तो इन्होंने he started his.
I just want to recall how I came back because after 85 I completely lost touch. I lost all the dresses, I lost everything. And one day, Vijay Bakore, this man writes a mail. I got a cousin by the name of Fazlabaz Girani also. उसने कहीं से इंटरनेट पर ढूंढा और फजलाबाज गिरानी को मैसेज भेजा. That फजलाबाज गिरानी. The next Eid, फजलाबाज गिरानी comes to me. सब बैठे थे, भाई तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त है विजय बकोरे? मैंने कहा यार तू कैसे जानता उसको? और उसको मेल आई है. Jaldi mujhe bhej. I was dreaming about VRC, honestly, but I just couldn't get it. And my wife would say, क्या यार तुमने छोड़ दिया, खत्म हो गया. मैंने कहा नहीं, वो अलग चीज. And I got touch with him. He called me immediately as soon as I sent a mail back to him. He got in touch with me, and he put me in touch with Manoj. And then this change started, and today we are all here together. I would like to thank Pakore publicly today and Manoj that they have brought me back into this fold. I am so happy to be back in this family. And of course, this event, I salute, my hats off. Megha and the team, you have done a wonderful job. And I feel we should all appreciate it. In appreciation, on behalf of the batch, I've just got one small gift for them. I would like to read it before we give it to them. It says, appreciation, 1985. It was the summer of 1985. One by one, we all left the then VRCE for our homes. Happy for having completed our first degrees and taking our first real steps in life. However, sad that we were all separating, not knowing if we will ever meet together again. 6. 2010. 25 years is not a small period. A new generation has come and grown in this world. Our children have now started taking the places we occupied. But what about us? It is your effort that made Topo 1985 a reality. The reintroductions and the self-introductions, the photographs and the obituary, the meals and the professional updates. Reply. We, the VRC batch of 1985, salute you and present you this small token of appreciation. May I request?
Thank you for doing it. Thank you. ये हम लोग सब करना चाह रहे थे just a minute.
Okay, on a serious note, I understand that the event which has been organized is undergoing a shortfall in the expenses, and I feel, because in the column also I saw there was an additional column of 5,000 rupees, and this was of course, I understand it to be contributed voluntarily, but with the huge enthusiasm and the success I see, I think we should all be coming forward voluntarily and definitely make sure that this shortfall is covered up. It should not happen that we go away. We should all to come forward. I mean, this is worth much, much, much more than what we are paying. I am the first person. Please note my name down. I will be contributing 5,000 extra here. And if there is anything required, please come to me. I will even be ready to contribute something more for this cause. Thank you very much. I would request whoever is coming forward, please just tell them whatever you want to do. At the moment the tempo is there, let's take it down. Now we'll read out a small message which has basically come from Shanab's heart. It will take 2 minutes. Thank you. Bharat, please.
To ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is on behalf of Shalabh and all the students of 1985. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a story, a warm, cuddle and protective shield of our parents 29 years ago.